Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. What time is it? 9:39. Holy shnikes. I am late. Let's see if we can get things connected up here this morning. How's everybody doing? Give me a shout out there. It is Tuesday, October 15th. Don't forget, today is the final day to do your taxes if you're a tax extension filing mamma jamma
143
like me. It's today, midnight. Let's zoom out here and take a peek at some higher time frames. Ooh, we just came to a very interesting location. Come up here to the top left. Okay, so we came down out of the Titanic zone from yesterday and about to enter into the Titanic zone down below potentially, or do we stay inside here? Oh, this is going to be a very interesting location. Let's see, tide. Let's zoom out, full 4K area here, all screens. Let's tag in the wave. We tapped, I'm sorry, tide. We tapped red. And we've just tapped green on the wave. Okay.
Double delta EM on the 4. Speed of YM85.
And news-wise. Oh, and I just spilled coffee all over my desk. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's going to be one of those kind of days. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. I'm going to leave that for a second, because I'm going to get you guys ready to go here before I clean up this giant mess. Lovely. Into the keyboard. Well, there goes my, maybe there goes my hotkeys. We'll find out. Am I going to need a new keyboard? Let's do a poll. Oh boy. I tried to get in here on time today, folks. I was up late trying to get some stuff
Speed of YM
settled in. If you guys were waiting on the discount offer sale on the website last night, I just did not get it done. And with the tax stuff I was having to finish up and a few other items, I did not get that out there. So I'll postpone it one more day here. We will have that Super Saver, Smart Saver discount offer. Better than Black Friday offer. We'll talk about all that here today. Hopefully we get a little bit of a hope this thing smooths out for my start here this morning.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Keyboards are pretty tough. I don't know. I had one time. Oh, this is all over the control keys. Ew. Okay. Oh, that's disgusting. They're gonna get sticky. We're not speaking evil. That's right. Let's speak good things into it.
106.
We got a couple of ready ups here. What's our speed is great speed. Look at this. We are on great speed right now. So let's see if I can get a play here before I have to go clean this up. We're currently neutral. We just went to sell side. Just tapped sell. So let's see where we go. It's 9:43, so we're in the middle of the 9:40 to 9:50 reversal time. This downward move began at right around 9 a.m. No, really all the way back at 7 a.m. Yeah, I kind of want to pop up off of that. This looks very trap-ish down here, so
Speed of
I'm gonna guess we're gonna have a trap first. So I'd like to see if we can get a play set up first to the long side here. We went back to neutral. We just tapped red once. We've talked about this before. If we tap it just once and we pop back off of it, then the other side is oftentimes very strong.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this long here. We got a ready up into a bat for another ready here, going half position long. Here's king timing. I'm going to add to it. We got a buy. We went moderate buy after the little love tap. Oh boy. Oh. Nope, closing her out. Okay, yikes. All right, first trade there this morning for a loss. Loss like a boss. That's multi-ready up with an alpha omega. I will likely look for a re-engage here.
Enigma short on the E1.
Okay, and we've got a 20.1, so I'm going to go ahead and try for a short right here off the 20.1 with the alpha omega cross. Don't like that it still feels very trappish here. Got my finger over the close. If we start to pop up too high here, yep, so gonna have to be looking for the exits here. Last spot to add into it on a 20.1. Let's see if that was the full trap down there. We are on back to moderate buy here.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, another ready up here. I'm going to reverse the position. Looking for the long trap off of that spot right there. See if we can get, oh boy. Okay, I'm going to close up here and I'm going to get short one more time. $18.1, tricky spot here, but I think I'm going to like it in the end. Here's king timing. I don't know that my hotkeys are going to work. I'm going to close it. Okay, well, at least my hotkeys are working there. We got a triple ready up here. I'm going to draw the zone. Titanic zone has showed its head. There's the triple. And we're breaking. Oh boy, I'm going to give it one more shot to the short side here. Going to give me a 10.5 with a moonshot short. We'll see if we don't just get an absolute annihilator run up here. I notice I'm on L2, not 3. Should have been on L3s there for the morning with the speed. Here's king timing. I'm going to add one more time on that king timing. See if we're going to get a bump back down here. Yeah, it looks like I'll be having to exit positions here because that is 3 in a row. A very rare situation right there. Let me mark these up. The amount of speed that this is pushing up, I feel like it's going to trap them to the long side, but we'll find out here in just a moment. I'm going to mark these up. That's 1, 2, 3. So I definitely want a full auto cadence here after this for all enigmas. All right, there's my point of entry, so I'm gonna take half. Y'all know my deal.
Speed of YM80. Speed of YM80.
Where was it? Right there. All right, I'm gonna grab F6.
Double delta EM on the 1.
On my line, there is my ready up here, so I can add back here, back behind my exit point. So it got a little bit of a better entry managing that position.
Double delta EM on the 4.
Excuse me.
Speed of YM76.
Okay, we'll see what happens here on this PRZ cross.
Enigma short on the EM1.
Gonna add to my position big time here on, after 3 losers. I doubt we're seeing a 4th, but who knows? This will be a very rare situation if we have another. I don't think so. Let's see if we get the trap longs. Has been really good speed up there, so should be trapping in reversal players there, but I don't know. What do I know? I'm coming in late here. I got coffee all over my desk right now. There's some on my leg.
Speed of YM68. DCDMEM on the 1.
All right.
Divergence DMEM on the 8.
Okay, there's the Enigma target. So the 4th one out of that cadence was an absolute winner. Just not in a good spot there because of adding back here, obviously.
Speed of YM72.
Yeah, we've got great speed. I'm liking it. There is, yikes. Okay, we got a 3 wise men going on here, and we are strong buys, so that is not working out well for me here. So I'm going to start to look to peel half here any moment here. If we can come back down to that Enigma target, I will be happy to peel some there, which I probably should have already done. We tapped it twice, and I should have re-engaged up here. I'm flopping this up right now on the execution. Okay, so I'll peel half here at the point of entry here. I'm sorry. Wow, did I just say point of entry? The Enigma target. Duh, bro. Duh. And we do have to be concerned about a potential trap and push. Excellent. Get down in there. All right, I'll take half in the diamond. So we'll see if they hold that zone or not.
Speed of YM76.
One, two, three. That looks like a 4-legged dog trap here, so might have to be finding the exits here. All right, I'll find the exit. Okay, so it was as high as 3,500 right there, almost to 3,600. I have a feeling like that was probably the $400 superstition right here. Literally, I glanced over to the left and saw 3,500, so it probably tapped 3,600. I mean, seeing this big pump out and coming back all the way down to 1,800 when I was up 3,500. Likely a $400 superstition. It's also a four-legged dog trap right there. Could have seen it. It just happened too fast for me to react, and I'm sitting here just still thinking about how I have coffee all over my desk right now. All right, help me out, folks. Type in some 4LDT there in the chat. Let me catch up with my numbers. So we had 1, 2 losers in a row. Technically 3, although I made money off of it. So I'll give the third a big fat green. So 2 losers and a big winner there on Cadence. So first of all, also type in Cadence in the chat. You should be taking big note of Cadence. We had 3 in a row. And remember how I said I really want to get... Like, I want to take that next one. If there's 3 losers on Enigma in a row, dude, I want to hit this one like a boss. And I did, but I wanted to just full auto it and ride it out. But sometimes the market's just not that easy.
Speed of YM59.
And in that situation there, it was not. So that speed up, I do think, caught retail on the wrong side there. Trapped them in. Another good signal there for it. You guys should have all had that divergence triangle show up right there. And again, speed up like that, you guys know my deal. If it's looking too good to be true, it's too easy to that side, it's likely a trap, isn't it? And sure enough, there it is. And what called it? The 11.1 on the Enigma. Caught them all red-handed. I should have also engaged, thought I could hold it even longer because of all the crosses. All of that retail got caught. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4. All caught up in there. Actually, maybe 5. Yep, there's another one. That's 5.
Speed of YM59.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of trap right there, which means big move down. Enough juice, if you will. I'm doing air quotes here. Enough juice to let it loose. All right, I'm going to keep getting short right here. Going to see if it can give me a little extra out of this. All the way to a 17.8. Don't like that it's that high, and we just held right there. Hopefully we get a little bit more juice out of it. Feels like they're doing the full little drop out there. People trying to catch a falling knife. Going to get wrecked on it. Bottom of that zone hopefully does not hold.
Speed of YM58. Double delta EM on the 1. Speed of YM66.
Got greedy there, didn't take any off.
Double delta EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 4.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right, into a shark back here. Hopefully we crack that. Oh, you shark back. Why you gotta be so strong today, bro?
Speed of YM82. Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, I am half and up right here. We might have some Titanic shift here. That's a triple ready up here in this area after big moves down. Now everybody's looking short here, so now that could catch people off sides. You know me, I'm always hyper aware of trap situations if it's too easy, and now it's become too easy. It was better earlier, now less so.
Speed of YM59. Speed of YM59.
Frank, you're talking about other groups. You know, this stuff actually makes me sad. Like, we get people that come in here, you think this is the same? Like, I just don't understand. I've been in other groups, so I just can't get it down. Dude, other groups are retarded. You haven't figured out that they're not legit? You've been in other groups and you don't... Oh, man. Like, you know, I am so disappointed in society. I cannot understand the stupidity. People are dumb. People are dumb. I can't figure it out. He's like, I can't figure it out. I just wish I tried so many times. Not using technology versus using technology. Yeah, they're the same, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, I will pray for you. Well, I've never tried ALGOBOX before, but I'm sure it's the same. You're stupid. You're literally stupid. Do something about it. Absolutely. I will absolutely make fun of you. Absolutely.
Speed of YM56.
Look up the word satire. Somebody type in the definition of satire. Maybe it'll help him out. Maybe it won't. It should, though. Making fun of something in order to correct it. That's why I'm hands down the greatest mentor on the planet. Not hard when everybody else is so stupid, though. You know what I'm saying? Well, I've been in other groups before. Do I seem normal to you? Do I seem like your typical turd? Well, I am a typical turd. But I'm talking about in trading. Well, where I come from, satire is used to, the final phrase is, in order to correct it. The idea is to wake you from your stupor. Typical nerd, yeah, which means I'm rich. Yeah, you figured it out? You're a typical cool guy. You're broke as fuck, aren't you? Yeah? Am I right? Did I pick you out right?
Speed of YM51. Speed of YM51.
Okay. Yikes. We got a 3 wise men right here. And we're neutral, but we've come off of sell side. Yeesh. So we could go either way here. We did get a big white cross on the 8s. So about to find out if I'm on the other side of a trap here. It does feel very trappish. Yep, I'm going to close it. Yeah, I talk about it all the time. I turn up the heat, and there's only 2 ways for a person to go. When I turn up the heat, you either get bitter or you get better. The choice, though, is up to you. If it's all about you and then you get bitter. If it's about we, you want to get better, then you get better. Bitter or better when you turn up the heat on a coffee. Some get better, some get bitter. You sound bitter, bro. You bitter and broke? Well, it's not my fault. Did you never think about that? You know why it's not my fault? Because you never did ALGOBOX. Yeah, but I've been in other rooms before. Oh yeah, bro, we're the same. I've won 4 trading competitions. Did your room ever win any competitions ever? Did they ever live stream and trade right in front of you? Did they ever literally have every single live stream up?
Speed of YM56.
No? Oh, you still think we're all the same. Man, you're funny. He's like, why you offend me? Bro, you literally just said typical nerd. See, you slap and it lands like a little flea on me.
Double delta eam on the 1.
I slap you and you get hit like it's a lion paw. You're weak. What are you going to do about that? That's the question. You going to stay weak? You going to get smart?
Speed of YM65.
Okay. You say you're computer illiterate. Okay, well at least we're getting somewhere. But have you ever played video games? What's your favorite video game? I created this as an Atari 2600 video game with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons. And if you want to get fancy, there's some more. So there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 buttons here. Plus 8, 22. I mean, if you want to know what all these are and use them, you don't have to. Depends on your position management and account size. But you can, within 1, 2, 3, really, you don't even have to use these 4. So you can 1, 2, 3. You don't even need reverse. 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons, maybe half and double on occasion. So 5 buttons. There's more buttons on your PlayStation game controller, or let's back up. Which video game system do you use?
Speed of YM65. Speed of YM65.
I created this system to be a video game so that my kids could trade. Yeah, you're going to say that we're all the same? Well, I've been in other groups. Do you know any other group that created an algorithm to code the markets to turn it into a video game so that a child could do it? Yeah, get out of here with your nonsense. Makes no sense. We are not the same. What I've created here is not the same of your typical groups of like, oh, I drew a line. I drew a line over here, and I think market's probably going to consolidate here, and then we might go up, we might go down. You guys are welcome. Pay me on the way out. In comes the Frank.
Well, I've been in other groups before, so, you know, it just doesn't work.
Okay, bro. You see something superior and you can't recognize it? I don't know, man. Maybe I can't help you. If you're that dumb, bro, I can't fix stupid. I have gone and tried and tried and tried. People, yeah, I cannot fix stupid. That's your curse. If you're stupid, I don't know. Take it up with God.
Double delta E.
Even halfway intelligent person should be able to recognize that what we're doing here ain't the same. But if you can't figure that out, bro, yeah, maybe you can't do it. Maybe this ain't for you. Put the controller down. Just make sure you deliver my Uber burger hot and on time or no tip. Okay, so it was a good bail there. The trickiest part is, see how this is rolling in this neutral zone here? So it's hard to catch the...
Double delta E on the 4.
Figure out what's going to happen right now. We need it to show its hand here. Here's why I was saying, it was a good bail on my part. Would have been eating some red here if held on to that. But yeah, we knew this could start that move with the trap
Speed
here.
Of YM61.
So we are kind of just grindy winding our way up here. So let's wait for some play setups. We got a it's a pure cluster. It's not even a 3 wise men. It's a pure cluster. So we turn up off the pure cluster. We moved. We had the triple ready up over here to show the Titanic zone. Whoops, what did I just do? Did I just drag those down there? That's weird. Didn't even know that could happen. Okay, so somehow I accidentally dragged those down into the bottom there. So triple ready up there for the Titanic zone. On a refresh, got new data there, looks like. Dude, Frank's not even answering my question. I asked him what video game he plays. He's not even answering. It's like crazy. Yeah. I'm here to help, trying to help. Like, I just omeletted you, or tried to. So it turned up the heat, beat you up, put you in a pan, whatnot. Now I'm ready to fix the omelet. And then the omelet, threw itself in the garbage. I mean... Frank R is a weed smoker according to his YouTube channel. Well, yeah. Classic. Well, that'll do it.
Double delta YM64.
Alright, I'm going to take this ready up to keep with the continuation here and see if we get a break
on the 1.
Break off here. We got a DCDM target up above us, ready up, and see if we can pierce that guy and make it. Ooh, it's the cluster now. Okay, I've got 2 targets up above me. Hopefully we can push up there and Give me a little love there. Should be about 25 or 30 ticks to the target up above me there on the gold lines up above. Hopefully this isn't going to be a cluster reversal back down. Looks like a breaking out of an area first DCDM, like those generally. I am more used to the personality of NQ on these. We're getting a little more used to the Dow personality.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, another ready up here. See if I can catch a bid and get some big money. Let's see if it's going to happen. We can get all the way up to those triple targets.
Double delta EM.
Oh, don't triple ready up me up here. Oh, no. Oh, you got a little more juice in you? Oh, boy. Okay. You know what could happen here. Get up in there. There we go. Take half and half. Little left on. See if it's going to get all the way through. All the way through all three targets. 23.90 on the play. I will start looking for a short. Why? We got a triple ready up zone here. So the first one, Titanic zone, new Titanic zone. Actually, let me remove the others. Control R, boom. All right, so looks like a Titanic zone here forming to hopefully trap in some retail. Like a lot of speed up now. So now retail should be looking long, right? A lot of speed up there, and I just want to play against that. And the play is a Titanic zone
Double
here.
delta EM on the 1.
Got a little deeper on it. For a full position 16, then we'll go 2s.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Oh no! I just got, ooh buddy. Okay, that's not cool.
Speed of YM83.
Up to the Enigma target. Yikes, just got Enigma longed here. So I want to start looking for the exits. We have a Titanic zone showing its head here. So let's see if they'll trap them all in here. A lot of good speed up, and see if we can catch them in a trap. And see if we can see the first sets of crosses. I've not seen any crosses yet, even inside here yet. They've been pumping it up. Oh, that is a very steady, set of buys. I don't like that. How far could this go? This could be one of the reachers. Need a new bar on the 89s to be able to execute on that this time.
Double delta EM on the 4.
Okay, this might have just helped us up here on the 4s. 14.2 ready up. Yikes, that is 2,000 to the buy side. Oh, I'm killing it. Killing it. Not feeling it. We just got caught offsides on an Enigma that got super Enigma'd down below. 2,000 plus. If they want to defend that, they absolutely could. I'm going to remove these other zones real quick. We're coming into 10.18. I'll wait for some setup down on the lower space here, but down below, this sucker just snagged me. So I got all that through, yay. Then I tried to get ganky with it, tried to kind of get short under, boom, 14.3 shoves that sucker right up here. Look at this, just continuous buying down here. on delta. You gotta respect that sometimes. Like, well, not even sometimes. When you see this, nah, you gotta respect that. I really want to try to find a little long play first before I'm looking for any kind of shorts here. Little micro pullbacks. Okay, first play would be awesome. Would be the first alpha omega, right? First alpha omega after they move up for the continuation. I would take a cross, anything right now to get me in. Well, ALGOBOX takes fractals into account. Did you not know that?
Upper bands touching.
There it is. Okay, there's my go play. Got the cross. Like I said, anything to get in on the long move on that. It is
on the 1.
There. Oh, it didn't want to double cross up after anything but that. Well, tell your friend that shitbox, as he calls it, uses fractals. It's the whole point. It just does it in a way that video games it so you can actually make money without having to fart around. Okay, I don't like that end up turning into a double cross there. Double cross, I want to reverse. Yikes, I'm getting caught off all kinds of offsides here. So I would like to, if this gives me a little pop up here, would like to look for a play back down. It is a double cross after a big move up there. And God, that's it. I am talking too much. Thinking, can't think. Can't think. I need some money. I need a minute to think. And I also need to clear this coffee off my desk. Big move up turned into a double cross. I did not want that. I was hoping for a single cross, and we kind of continue with the little chuckas up in it on a double cross. No, I want to play a reversal. Okay, there's the second one. Hopefully I can get out before a third.
Divergence down.
This does not feel good for me. Where's my alpha omega? Need an AO to save my butt here. There's a cross.
Upper bands touching on the 38.
Dadgummit. Double cross after a big move up. I cannot believe that. Sitting here thinking through, talking, trying to respond to people too much.
Speed of YM67.
Let's see if you can define what a fractal is, EMA Brawl. You're going to be able to do it without Googling it. What is a fractal? Let's see if you know what that is. Because see, people say, oh, it uses fractals? I didn't know. Like, you guys talk like it's a thing.
Double delta EM on the
It's not a thing. Fractals is just saying using multi-time frame. You idiots use words that you're like, oh, so cloud, buzzword, insert buzzword here. Cloud, fractal, cedar, cloud seeding, Wi-Fi, crypto, wallet, fungible, NFT. Here's another one. DCA. Creamsicle. Do you even know what DCA is? Man, we are getting, dude, the idiots are coming out today. The idiots are out today. Like, oh, I use DCA though. Oh, I said DCA. Ooh, me heap smart. Heap big smart man. Me say DCA, no even know what mean though. I ask him, he use though. Whereas an intelligent person will say, hey Vinny, do you add to your positions? Yes. Idiot says, do you even DCA, bro? Do you even lift, bro? Yes, I obviously add to my positions. I actually make big money. Ooh. You mean you don't trade one contract? Like, I mean, I've been in these rooms before. Most rooms that I trade in, they trade one micro contract because it's good risk management. Who told you that? Oh, the guy who runs the room. Oh, yeah. You seen where he lives? Yeah, I mean, he lives with his mom. She's a real nice lady. Oh, that's nice. You drive for, Uber or what's the other one? Lyft. An Uber or Lyft guy? Team Uber, Team Lyft. Team U, Team L.
Speed of YM51.
Oh, and there are people that believe it, I bet. I mean, they're so dumb. I have literally never met a dumber trading community than ICT people. You cannot get any dumber than that. I don't think. If it exists, I've never seen it. Yeah. Which is weird. You know what a fair value gap is? All it is a
Upper band
a long sexy leg in our speak. So what he's basically saying is enter in after a big move up or a big move down. Wow, you don't say. Somewhere inside of there, take a pullback trade. Wow. So you're telling your students to be a pullback trader. Like, dude, there's nothing fancy about that at all. There's no edge to that whatsoever. It's crazy. All right, we're picking up some really weird speed here. I'm just going to close up. I have no idea what's going on there. I am taking the L. I am going to clean up this mess on my desk right now. It is bothering the heebie-jeebies out of me. I can already tell I've got idiots on my live stream that are getting under my skin, having to answer stupid questions. So I'm going to clean up this coffee mess here. It's at 10:29. When I come back, it is time to smack. Down 3,800 on the day. Not a big deal. We'll get it, but I am cleaning up this mess. And yeah, I'm gonna flush these idiots out of my brain. Wait, Frank's back. Frank, why don't you answer the question I asked before? What video games have you played? You said you're not computer literate. Why don't you tell us what video games do you play? Alright, there we go. And you just made me miss a super enigma. Dadgummit. Alright, I'm gonna go clean up this mess. I'm tired of the idiots.
Speed of YM 120 double delta EM on the 1. DCDM EM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1. Speed of YM 95. Speed of YM 85. Speed of YM 85. DCDM EM on the 1. Enigma short on the EM 1. Speed of YM 67. Double delta EM on the 1. J hook short EM on the 1. Speed of YM92. DCDM EM on.
Okay, so desk is cleaned up. I am seeing I missed some great plays there. Really pissed off right now. But I am going to make all that back and then some.
Delta EM on the 1. Speed of YM61.
Right here before your very eyes. Alright, that looks like a double cross.
DCDM EM on the 1.
Let's see. Wow, it turned into a cluster right here. That is a trap and a half, though. I see the trap level back there. People got short back there. I expect this to play against them. Double cross, double move. Looking for targets up above at the gold line up above us. Another trap right there. I see two traps playing against it. That's the current play. I'll talk more through it here in just a minute after I start making some real money. Don't like that we just got 2 ready ups there. If we get a third, we got problems. Okay, that could be a problem. We could turn here. That could change everything. Of course, it was going to be too easy.
Speed of YM.
Get up there. Block it in behind it. Yikes, another one. All right. Drag it all the way up there and go tap that. Drag it all the way up there for me.
Enigma short on the EM1.
Oh my word. Did y'all see how fast that snapped? I did not even get to bail exit. Are you kidding me? Give me a little more before you make the drop here, bro. I'm being punished. Alright, there we go. Alright, got more than half back on that right there. I do want to start to look for potential reversal in this area here. We got a 22.
Speed of YM95.
0.7, we got multiple ready ups. I'm going to clear this zone. Control R, clear it up. It's moving very quick. We got great speed right now. Titanic zone.
Speed of YM94. Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, smooth leg 1. Smooth leg, smooth leg. Speed down. Wait for the trap. Dude, Creamsicle, what is your deal, bro? Why not trade NQ right now? It's going crazy. Okay. This is, first of all, Creamsicle. Okay, I'm going to give you one chance to stay in this room. I am going to ban you unless you pay very close attention right now. You better stay here with me for the next 5 minutes and answer my questions. Are we good? If you stay, answer my questions, I will let you stay. This is like the third stupid question you've said or statement you've made in the last, I don't know how long.
Double delta
Okay?
aim on the 1.
So, as of right now, you have earned yourself a ban. I'm going to give you one chance. Are you going to stay for the next 5 minutes and answer my questions and answer them ASAP? Because I'm not taking all day with you, but I'm going to give you one chance to prove the whole point
Aim on the 8th.
of why we don't even waste our time with idiots in the chats. Okay? We good? Okay. You asked this stupid ass question. Vinny, why not trade NQ right now? It's going crazy. That's the whole point of not to. In fact, what's the speed? Okay, but first of all, let's go back to the question. My question is this. 1. Are you a premium member of ALGOBOX? Second question. If you are, what is your Discord username to prove it? Because I think you're just here to troll. You can't possibly be that stupid. You've been here multiple times. I'm pretty sure you're here to troll. Let's find out. And if you're not either one of those, I am literally going to think about banning you. Unless, let's see what happens on my third and fourth question. Exactly. 400 speed on the NQ. Okay, you're not. Exactly. I can tell. Let me tell you why. I can tell that you're not a premium member. Saying something as stupid as, why don't you trade NQ right now? I can already tell the speed is fast here on YM. I know that it's probably wild on NQ. Yes, as Edward, who is a smart, intelligent, obviously a ALGOBOX user, he actually can quantify it. You know how he can quantify it? He literally says the speed is 400. He can literally quantify that. Say you can't. You know why? Because you don't use ALGOBOX. Why not? Why don't you use ALGOBOX? That's another funny thing. Isn't that hilarious?
Speed of YM66.
Yeah, no. You're not trying to understand ALGOBOX. Why would you ask? These questions aren't seeking understanding. You're saying things like, let me reel back. Why not trade the NQ? It's going crazy right now. It's like you literally answered the question in the assertion and the question. You're asserting that it's going crazy. Why would I want to trade something that's going crazy? It's anyway. Listen, bro. I would suggest you do go through ALGOBOX training, but you know what? I don't even know. I don't even care. I literally, I'm at this point with people. Like, you know, listen, God loves you, okay? And I wish I was just an amazing person, that I had such a great and patient personality for idiots. I just don't. I'm not wired that way, okay? I'm just not.
Speed of YM81. Double delta EAM on the 1.
Yeah, you've been following the channel for a while now. Why not go through the actual training so you don't come out here and like interrupt me, get me frustrated, asking your stupid questions? Go through the training. It's literally freaking free right now. It's not about to be, just so y'all know. Okay, let's just talk about what's about to happen. Right now, if you go to algoboxpro.com, there's an entire documentation section, which is going behind a paywall on November the 1st when we release ALGOBOX STX. Y'all don't know about it? Pretty easy. Look. Here's the site. There's your trial. You can get involved. You're not even in the Discord room, I bet. You're like, oh, I just like to hang out here on YouTube live streams. I don't want to go in the Discord. Again, like, and you wonder why you struggle in life. Was it commitment issues?
YM67.
You don't want to get in, see what's up? Go up here to documentation. This doc section is all open for free right now. All the documentation. We have a video section. Don't get me started on the fact that, listen, I hate the way this is laid out. Okay, I'm with you. Okay, I hate this stupid thing. Okay, our web guy did this. It's absolute crap. I hate this. I hate the way this pops out. I hate the way it looks. I hate everything about it. Okay, can't do anything with it, but hey, guess what? There are 6 libraries there. Click on the second one, click on the third, click on the fourth, click on the fifth, click on the sixth, and you can go through the free lessons here. You'll learn more here than you've learned in any other trade room anywhere in just 36 videos. Oh, 36. I know, that's a number you can't count to. I know.
Speed of YM.
But this is your day to change. This is your day
Speed of YM
to get smart.
76.
Go figure it out. It's not hard. Oh, look, there's a Discord trade room where a bunch of smart people are hanging out. Oh, I might want to join in there. I click on join Discord. Oh, how about that? It's free. Well, it's free, so it must not be worth. Yeah, exactly. You know? Whatever. All right. In the meantime, I'm about to make all my money back, so just chill. Am I confident you're struggling in life? Yeah, I bet you are. You can't be possibly hanging around here as long as you have, because I've seen you in the chats a lot of times. I have seen you in here a lot, and you're still asking stupid questions? See, look, there's no problem. Like, even I give more credit to Frank here. Because at least Frank, well, although he just said a minute ago, he said he's been following for a while now, so maybe not. Okay, but I was about to give him a little more credit to Frank, because this is the first time I've ever seen him come in here. But Drimsicle, I've seen you come in here, and you troll, and you do some weird, you ask weird questions for a long time. It's like, at some point, you, like, intelligent people are useful in life, you know, half brains, eventually stop asking stupid questions if they've hung out long enough. Like, oh, okay, you know, I kind of figured things out. You ain't figuring it out. And now I know why, because yeah, you hadn't gone and go. Well, I mean, we actually go through the actual training. Everything I'm doing out here is executing on the things that I've taught. Yeah, and with a name like Creamsicle, I mean, it probably can tell you a lot of things about it. So unless you're, you know, selling popsicles, or you're, you know, I wouldn't say, but I mean, sounds like you're either a popsicle seller or a porn star. So, yeah, grow up.
Speed of YM 57.
All right, so that Titanic zone did exactly what we expected. Did the full tilt turn there. Big Titanic. Does everybody see the Titanic zone turn? Right? It indicated it was coming. Right? And look how long it took to turn. Right? It takes a long time for the Titanic to turn. It takes a long time for it to sink. Right? You're 28, immature, and your name is Creamsicle. Okay, go ahead. Explain the Creamsicle, bro. Explain. What 28-year-old male, when I was 28, oh my word, like, I'm not gonna compare you to me. All right, that's like insulting to everybody.
Speed of YM
But
70.
28. Your questions are the same. You know, we're out here absolutely annihilating it, killing it. Like, do you want to trade or do you not want to trade? Are you even a trader? You've hung out here enough. I have to imagine that you are. What's your trading system? Okay, so why choose a name like Creamsicle? It's YouTube, bro. Chill. See what I mean? Like, look, no, you're not mature. Anybody who says, YouTube, bro, chill, and uses the word chill and bro, you're not mature. Shut the fuck up, child. You still live at home with your mom? Honest question. I'm not even trolling. I'm literally asking. Do you live on your own? Do you have wife and kids? Do you even, yeah, I don't know. You got an animal? What's your safety pet? Do you have a safety pet? Or whatever they call as a safe space? I don't know. Safe space pet? I don't know. What do they call them these days? Do you care for an animal? don't even know how to talk to you children, man. Oh, okay, so you're a silver spooner. I got you. Parents live in Sweden, but I'm in the US by myself. Yeah, so they sent you here, right? On their dime. Don't tell me you came here for a job. Uh-huh.
Pip.em on the 8th.
Creamsicle. Still haven't explained the name yet. Questions are hard. Questions are hard. All right, what time is it? 10:50. 10 minutes till the 11. Did I miss a news event somewhere in there? 8:30, 10:50. There's a bunch of news there. 11:30. FOMC speakers. No red stars. The only red stars were there at 8:30. See, Nomad actually just gave you the best advice ever. There it is. Nomad says Riley. Or Creamsicle, whatever. Doing a lot for MIDI. Take the training, sign up for the trial, watch live, record YouTube videos. Yeah, I mean, there you go. Came here for college, worked as an investment banker for 4 years. My guy, don't call me a loser. You're a loser, bro. Investment bankers are the worst. You guys are fucking worthless. I'll say it to your face. Investment bankers are fucking worthless. Everybody say it with me. Investment bankers are fucking worthless. You've done nothing to add to society. Not a damn thing. Not a damn thing. You know nothing about anything. Investment bankers. No, you sit in an office and you get paid and you run around with names like Creamsicle. You're fucking worthless. Your job means nothing. You do nothing for society. Literally nothing. You're a shuffleboarder. By the way, so am I. Oh, what is that? What do you mean, Vinny? Oh, we're getting deep here. I'm literally sitting here pressing buttons like a video game and money's popping out. Okay, I have said it before. We are the most worthless industry on the planet. We do nothing for society other than make capital. But then most of you idiots spend money on absolute shit. You do nothing to add to society. You don't build up good children. You don't homeschool your kids to teach them good things so that they can maybe become something useful in life. You don't build real businesses. You don't build real wealth. You just take someone else's wealth and shuffleboard it around and then get paid for it, which literally takes nothing but the effort of pressing a button. You've never built anything in your entire life. You probably can't even change your own tire or pump your own gas. You probably drive an electric fucking vehicle. You are fucking worthless. Okay, so before we get on our high horses of, well, I'm a financial investment banker for 4 years. Bro, you did nothing. Means somebody liked you somewhere. They're like, hey, yeah, you wanna work here? I'll hand you a check. Or what? What do you do? Like, be more specific about what do you do? What value do you give anyone? Explain it.
Double delta em on the 1.
All right. Looking for a super enigma here. We're gonna see if it plays out or not.
Double delta em on the 1.
Double delta. Going to get a triple is the question. Oh, is this the Frank Rizzo? I've seen that name before. So this is an old troll, right? Is this the old troll? They're all coming out of the woodworks today because, you know, Vinny got on a red day after I spilled my coffee on my desk here this morning. So we're like, oh, let's all, let's pile in. We all suck at trading, so we got to go and let's go see if we can ride on a guy who actually trades.
Speed of YM69.
I have 100 accounts, Curtis. Right. Yeah, you're super useful in life, I bet. I bet that's super useful. Yeah, we don't believe he's 41 either. Yeah. No, bro. 40 and living with his mom, maybe 40-year-old virgin, maybe. All right, let's make him prove out that he's got 100 accounts. Ban the Frank account, ban the Frank Rizzo account. Ban both of them. Let's see how many accounts he's got. Let's see if he's lying about that too. All right, so there's Creamsicle's last response. All right, ban Creamsicle too. Why is my name Creamsicle?
I don't know, man, but it seems like you are really stuck on it. Again, it's YouTube. I can care less what people on the internet think.
Ban this dumbass. Get out of here, bro. You're too stupid to be here, seriously. Yeah, and he's like making interactions with Lance saying, okay, yeah. Hilarious. Thanks, Artie. Okay, so we are going to, yeah, and re-enable the policy of basically idiot trolls, just immediate ban. Like, I don't even know we need to waste my time. Just it continues to confirm. There's no changing them. Like, you can give them the satirical poke in the eye that they need that would motivate any normal person with a fucking brain, and it won't work for them. Like, you cannot fix stupid. All right, I'm gonna start peeling half here, and I actually want to reverse and get long.
Reversing.
I think they're going to defend those big positions that they had in earlier this morning. Remember the big spike? This giant one back here? I think now they're going to defend it. So that was the run down, and now I think they're going to run it. I could be wrong. But yeah, I was offsides on this one. So a break of this right here. All right, well, that tells me, well, we got some oomph behind what's coming through here. So this is a piercer long, and could be a big one. I don't know. Higher time frame coming into play here. This is where the big, I mean, they just bought all the way through this. I don't even know what this was. 5,000 looks like 6,000. It was bigger on another time frame. Where was the other one? It was, where did I see it? Izzy Hall, ban Izzy Hall too. How many times am I going to be offsides? Well, actually, let's bring it back here. Let's undo. How many times am I going to be offsides today, man? Yes, I have been trolled all morning. I started out spilling coffee on my desk here this morning. Yes, I am frustrated as all get out with the people who are coming in here, and I can't concentrate on what I'm doing. So thank you for pointing that out, and now you've been banned. Have a nice day. Yes, bad days happen. Well, today is a bad day for me. Enjoy. Enjoy. Troll me harder. You do not have to be perfect to be profitable. Sorry, I'm not perfect like you or Jesus. I'm sure you can come do this better than me. Come on, where's your live stream? Come live stream and deal with trolls while you are trading and spilling coffee on your desk, and you handle it better than me. Do it. Absolutely. Come show me how it's done, bro.
Speed of YM55.
Do have I got some questions for you though. When you scroll back and you, let's see if I can grab my browser here or not. Go to my live streams here. Where were you trolling me on the 11,000? We did. I didn't see you trolling me there. I didn't see you trolling me. Here's the $7,000 day. I didn't see you trolling me there. The one next to it, I didn't see you trolling me on the $17,000 day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $14,000 day. I didn't see you trolling me on, well, there was $140, so that's not a big deal that day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $8,645 day. I didn't see you trolling me on, hold on, let's scroll some more. Let's do some more. This one we have to zoom in on to see this one. What does that one say? I didn't see you trolling me on the $1,420 day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $4,400 day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $21,515 day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $19,265 day. Let's go to another one. I didn't see you trolling me on the $11,450 day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $6,000 day. I didn't see you trolling me on the $10,300 day. I didn't see you trolling me on... do we get the point? Are we good? I didn't see you trolling me on this one. What about this one? You know, we want to go on?
Double delta E.
What's this? 4,000, 4,000, 1,500, 3,400, 3,700, 2,000, 8,800, 20,000, 2,400. I didn't see you trolling. What about this one? Did you troll me on this $10,000 day? Did you troll me on this $2,200 day? Oh, here's a red session. Oh, did you? Here we go. Here's a red day. Did you? I bet you were here trolling me on this one though, weren't you? Yeah. Either you were trolling on that one. Yeah. Let's see. Should we zoom in and see how much I lost that day? Let's go to the end. See how much we lost that day. You troll me on this one. There's your red day. Troll me on this one. Were you there that day?
On the E1.
You get one to troll me on. Hit me up on a direct message. There. Yeah. Red day. Don't know. Did you troll me on that one? Yeah. Any others? No. Oh, okay. Okay, bro. Cool story, bro. Make sure you deliver my burger hot and on time, please, or no tip. They know when to troll. They're trolling professionals. Yeah. They lurk in the shadows until you go on a red day, and then they bring on the heat, right? They're like, oh, now I got him now. I'm gonna troll him hard today. Ha ha ha. You got a red day. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Got him. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Got him. Ha ha. Okay, we got a potential big target. I mean, if that makes a roll, that is a very large target up here. I'm going to turn this one gold up here, and regardless of whether we do or we don't, I want to take a look at this later today, depending on how it plays there. So let's make this one big. So the afternoon either. All right, that is a gigantanormous
double delta
ECDM on a higher time frame if that ends up rolling. Okay, yikes, that is a triple ready up there, and let's start seeing if we're going to peel or not. Like to hold to an opposing signal, and hopefully it doesn't just pivot turn on me and do the Titanic move. I think this is just going to end up boosting. We've had it, the big break of what should have been a very powerful, very easy turn. It didn't, so that turns into a piercer. I'm gonna draw a line back behind it here. F6. This was the piercing point, and ended up, as soon as we topped in on another Enigma, ends up being the pretty big push here on the way up. Yeah, where's the troll on the 6-figure 100K day I had?
Divergence down EM on the 8.
Yep, I bet they didn't troll on that one either. Seems like they're very choosy on their days they want to come and give me advice. I'm doing air quotes here. Give me advice. What other kind of great advice do you have? You got some advice? Some advice? You got some advice for me? Some advice? Advice? Doubtful.
Double delta EM on the 1.
See, that's a sign of intelligence right there. Going back and going. Somebody said the other day, it was like, intelligent person continuously questions themselves when they've made decisions. They're like constantly thinking through, well, what could I have improved? What could I do better? Or maybe I missed something. Idiots are always confident in
Short on the
their
EM
thoughts. All right. So I need to start peeling some off here. 12.3 could be a super enigma here. Start peeling some off here. It ended up, we ran it 40 ticks here. All right, 40 ticks, and I'll close it out there. 12.3. Let's see. We push down here. I may re-engage it again. Come down here. Not enough memory to open this page. What's Veterinator? Okay, we got a P point right up above us here. I'm just going to buy it up to it. Again, another piercer on a 12.3. Currently buy side, we just shifted to neutral, so could potentially be an issue there. We got some steady ready ups here, and again, looked like they were going to defend that large position they came in with earlier today, that big buying leg. Okay, to the P point, we'll get what is that? $895 to the P point.
Double delta EM on the 4.
Okay, so higher time frame starting to come into play here.
Double delta EM on the 1.
All right, here's king timing.
Enigma long on the EM1.
Add in with an enigma. Don't like that it's only a 1. Beggars can't be choosers here. Hasn't been the most, I don't know. I'm not sure why. I think that maybe my concentration was a little distorted today. I'm not sure why that would be.
Upper bands touch EM on the 38.
Not sure what that would have entailed. Can't really put my finger on it. Let me think. What would it have been? Okay. All right, there's the Enigma target. Nice straight legs. Never believe a nice clean, sexy leg. Never believe it. That's true. The website. So let's talk about that documentation section. That is supplemental, not supplantable. We're not supplanting. Now these are hard words. These are hard words for the trolls, so this is not for them. You cannot supplant the video trainings with the documentation. The documentation is supplemental. It is not a replacement. It is to enhance, not to replace. Yeah, Curtis loves the P point. Yeah. Well, hopefully we get there for him here within this session. Not, I don't want to be caught off sides. This is not good. So that means that 12.3 super and all of this multi ready up. could just be eating them up. Especially this time of day. It's 11:14. This is the one of those time of days where you can get that big pivot. Don't like that we didn't even get to the pivot point up above from prior.
Double delta EM on the 1. Enigma short on the EM1.
All right, I'm going to half up and I'm going to reverse and get short here on the 11.6. Targeting this one down below. If I'm going to re-engage, maybe we get something down below to help me to re-engage that up to the P point. That is a super enigma. Had a super enigma prior. Now we got another super enigma here. Play it out for 20 ticks. And bracket and see how much that's going to be worth here. Bracket 2, that will be 1900. Not going to be positive. Get that back behind the ready up. All right, that's pre-bracket. See how much that's going to be worth now at the Enigma target, 2365.
Upper bands touch EM on the 38th.
Ooh, looks like I could have stuck with it. Yeah. Frustrating type of day here. Reminding myself, just going to ignore the idiots. Like, if you're an idiot, we're just going to ban them. I'm not going to try to talk to them. I'm going to try to reason with them. They are unreasonable people. It is a waste of time and energy and a worthless pursuit. Let Jesus sort them out. That was a beautiful trap when I look back at it. Oh, such a beautiful trap. Alright, I'm gonna half it up here, out back behind this thing, and looks like we are gonna get all the way up there to the P point. Alright, it's been a very frustrating session. I will keep you guys updated in Discord, and yep, remind me in the future when the trolls come, just ignore them. Just absolutely, just ban them. Like, just ban them immediately. There's literally no point in talking to them. They're too stupid to reason with. They're not going to be reasonable. And it is a waste of my time and efforts to deal with any of them. They're not going to get smarter. I can't even ask him what video game. Like, did you notice, like, when I ask him one of them,
Delta EM on the 4.
Well, okay, you say you're computer illiterate. Okay, well, can you play a video game? 41 years old. Like, that's not even an answer to a question. Like, literally, I'm sitting here replaying these things in my mind because that's what I do as an intelligent person. I I solve problems. I'm like, well, how would I solve that problem? This guy, you can't solve their problems. They are fucking stupid. All right, just a reminder. Thanks for hanging out. From me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Moscow, Curtis, G, and ADB. I'm sitting out the Gage Town. See ya.
the old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Reversing.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Upper bands touch him on the 38.
Delta vibrating. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on freeze. Order filled. Target.